A report coming from Pir Payam in Nuer County are deeply troubling. According to local account, members of the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, reportedly set fire to the Loch Nyantwai ancestral shrine, completely destroying this sacred cultural site, as you can see on this picture. Well, after burning the shrine, the same force, SSPDF force, allegedly conducted prayer over the remains. This incident has raised serious concern of its cultural and spiritual implications for the local community. Ancestral shrines are not military targets. They are places of identity, history, and spiritual meaning. Even in time of conflict, there must be respect for cultural and religious heritage. Destroying sacred sites risks deepening resentment, mistrust, and long-term trauma among communities that are already suffering. Actions like this do not promote unity, peace, or reconciliation. Instead, they raise difficult questions about respect, accountability, and the protection of cultural rights during conflict like this one. Well, what are your thoughts on this development? Do such action bring peace, or do they widen the divide even further?